everyone, this is Vandana from 99.9 Engineering Station. When you hear the word chemistry, all you say about the atom, molecules and structure. So at the basic level, it looks very simple, but as you go deeper and deeper inside the subject, you start fretting about it. So student, to overcome your problem, I am coming up with a smart solution. Basically, we start with the basic level of chemistry, then after completing it, we jump to the complex one. And remember that student, I am going to not skip any topic. So for the easy learning, I will teach you with a mind mapping technique. So to know what is mind mapping, just watch my lecture 1 about basic chemistry on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe, share and like. This lecture series beneficial for the 11th standard student as well as the aspirant of IPAC, GATE, PSU and other government classes, jobs. Okay, thank you very much.